Ready to streamline your fiber installation process? Discover how the NGA Last Step Fiber Scoping Form V2 ensures efficient planning and assessment. Learn how eAuditor supports this crucial final stage. The NGA Last Step Fiber Scoping Form V2 is essential for final stage fiber installation planning. It helps you assess routes, equipment, and site conditions effectively. Use eAuditor to capture site details and photos in real time. Keep your scoping records organized and accessible. This tool ensures all project needs are met efficiently. Begin by opening eAuditor on your device. Navigate to the Templates section to start. Create a new template using the Blank Template option. Add necessary sections and fields to customize the form. This setup is the foundation for accurate data collection. Start with the project's basic information: name, location, and date. Ensure the surveyor's name is recorded accurately. Verify the site address and confirm access permissions. This checklist is crucial for accurate site details. It sets the stage for effective route assessments. Assess entry and exit points for clarity and safety. Check pathways for accessibility and absence of obstacles. Ensure ducts, poles, and chambers are in good condition. Note equipment requirements like cables and installation tools. This assessment prevents unexpected issues during installation. Identify traffic and public safety risks near the site. Evaluate environmental hazards impacting safe operations. Note access limitations that could delay entry. Add photos and comments in eAuditor for visual evidence. Collect surveyor signatures to validate the completed form. Open the template in eAuditor during your site survey. Complete all sections and verify the information. Export the report as a PDF for your official records. The NGA Last Step Fiber Scoping Form V2 ensures clear planning and avoids delays. Master this tool for successful fiber installations.